I decided to do my chain supply project on cannabidiol, also known as CBD, and I got this from the product CBD oil, and it's one of the main ingredients, obviously. But basically, what this product is meant to do is it apparently helps stabilize the endocannabinoid system in your body, which I thought for sure was something just made up to sell more cannabis products, but it turns out it's legit, and it's hooked up to your central nervous system, and when it gets out of whack, it can cause migraines and anxiety and cramps, and headaches. So that's basically what the CBD oil is used to treat, basically. So the specific batch I'm looking at here is the most recent one. This is batch number 321018, which is just named after the harvested lot it came from. So it started off in Colorado, and it was harvested October 3rd from the Cannabis sativa L strain plant, which is just one of the two major strains of hemp used by companies. And like I said before, it was harvested from lot 321018, and from here it was sent to Davie, Florida, which is the headquarters of the company that produces this product, Green Roads. And this is where they use CO2 extraction to separate the CBD from the plant's leaves and flowers from unwanted products such as THC. And CO2 extraction is kind of really complicated, but basically they bring CO2 down to a very low temperature, but then put it under high pressure so it can fluctuate between phase changes of liquid and gas, which helps sort out different compounds by weight. So CBD has a different weight than THC, and so that's how they can separate those and get just what they want and leave what they don't want behind, because of course this is a product that may be from a cannabis plant, but it won't get you high because it extracts just THC, and so it's legal to sell anywhere, and it's not meant as like a way to get you high. It's just for your endocannabinoid system. I really screwed that up, but you know what I mean. So anyway, once this stuff is separated, that the CBD is in kind of like a crystallized form, and that's sent to a third-party lab called EVO Lab, which is also in Davie, and this particular batch was sent there on the 8th, which is also when it completed its testing, and they just test for if it's like safe, what cannabinoids it has, which is just like CBD, THC, CBE, there's a lot of stuff on here, but it's really just looking for CBD and stuff. And then it also tests for if there's harmful chemicals, like what pesticides might still remain in it from what it's been treated with in Colorado, and just make sure it's up to the standard safety levels. And most of the stuff wasn't detected, but if it is, it has to reach a certain, passable limit that it has to be under. And this isn't the only time that the CBD is tested. It's tested throughout the process, but this is just kind of its final testing before it's sent off to, back to the headquarters again in Davie, Florida, which is the pharmaceutical lab part of the headquarters, and they basically just add in high-quality vegetable glycerin and hemp seed oil, which just completes the CBD oil and makes it an oil and not a crystallized form anymore, so it's actually sellable to people. And then it's sent to packaging, which is also in the headquarters, so that's just packaged, and then those packages are either shipped to their stores across America or individually sent out to people who ordered online. So that's just basically how you get this product and how that ingredient is sent down through the supply chain. So there you go.